Welcome to the friend of Blackview A90, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So let's just first open the phone application, and after that tap on the right upper corner, then click here to the settings and tap to block numbers. Now just we can see that in our blacklist we have two block numbers, so let's just remove one from them from here. So just to do that, you should click here on this X icon and then just to click here to unblock, and now we can see the message here that this number unlocked successfully. By the same way, you can just remove the second number from this blacklist, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.